intro, energetic music plays. Visual, channel logo animates in. Narrator ** Welcome back to USA Info Zone. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary topic: how artificial intelligence is transforming data analysis. Buckle up, because this is a journey into the future of technology. Visual, clips of data centers, AI algorithms running, and analyses being conducted. Narrator * In a world overflowing with data, the challenge isn't just collecting information, it's making sense of it. Enter artificial intelligence. AI can sift through vast datasets, identifying trends and insights that would take humans countless hours. But how does it do this? Visual, animated graphics illustrating data processing with AI. Narrator * Through machine learning algorithms, AI can learn from data patterns and improve itself over time. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior or market trends with pinpoint accuracy. Companies are leveraging AI tools to streamline operations and make informed decisions faster than ever. Visual, shots of business meetings, executives analyzing reports with AI tools. Narrator * From healthcare to finance, AI's applications in data analysis are limitless. It helps Dr. OUTRO, channel logo and subscribe prompt. Narrator * If you found this topic interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from USA Info Zone. See you next time. Visual, end screen with recommended videos. End.